Well, welcome back to the channel, Ron. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the aerator in your faucet. It's a very simple thing to do. As you can see, there's not a whole lot of water that is coming out of this. The client has been complaining about it for quite some time, so I figured this would be a good opportunity to show you how to do this. First of all, you're going to have to buy yourself an aerator. Now, if you know what you need for an aerator, then go ahead and purchase them. If not, remove the old one and then go pick that up. I actually got a box of these offline, and I'll put a link down below on where I got those. So the first thing you need to do is you need to remove the aerator itself. Now you're going to find that you're not going to be able to just kind of twist that out of there. The best way to do that is get yourself an old rag or an old shirt or whatnot and just place it underneath there like that and grab a hold of it with the channel locks and just loosen it like that, and you should be able to just twist that off. And when you do that, pay attention to which direction this aerator is in. I'm going to pull that out. Alright, it's kind of filthy. We don't care about that one. We're going to take the new one, we're going to pop it in just like that, and we're going to put it right back in. Now don't use the pliers to put this back in. Instead, just take the rag that you had and just kind of tighten it up a little bit, because it's going to be a little slippery with just your fingers, but if you use a rag or a towel, you'll be able to tighten it up. And then if you are successful enough, there you go. It's coming out there now with no problems. It's that simple. If you're not sure which one you need to get, because there's a lot of different types, go to Lowe's or Home Depot or whatnot and get the right one, and you should be all set to go. Well, that's how you replace the aerator in your faucet that's not flowing very well. So thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you next time. Oh yeah.